O'zim 46 yoshdaman, Karimova Shahzoda Nurmurodovna. Men O'zbekistondan Hindistonga keldim. Kasal diagnozim bo'yicha matka yeyishligida onkologiya. Bu yerga kelishimga sababchi bo'lgan ixtiyor orqali Max klinikasi haqida ma'lumotlarni oldik va o'z kasalligim bo'yicha davolanish o'sha yerda mumkinligini bilib shu yerga keldik va shu yerda biz doktor Peushka uchradik, onkolog. Shu yana Divya Sehra doktorga uchradik.
And when she presented to us, she had a scan with her which actually showed that there is a adnexal mass, and in the lungs there was a huge pulmonary thrombus, pulmonary embolism. We started her on low molecular weight heparin and eventually worked her for adnexal mass, and it turned out to be that the beta HCG, a tumor marker, was very high. It was in the range of 13 lakh, and this is typically high in choriocarcinomas. Choriocarcinomas are tumors or malignancies of the uterus where the young ladies would present with pervaginal bleeding.
On imaging, she had an ovarian mass and she was mistreated as ovarian cancer possibly. Biopsies were inconclusive back in her own country, and rather than repeating the same investigation and wasting time, we understood that this needs treatment ASAP.
Especially in this format of disease, we actually planned that once the patient is better, to operate upon her. And Dr. Divya did operate upon her after she got better, and now that her beta HCG has normalized, we are consolidating her with chemotherapy.
Divya Sehra operatsiya jarayonlarini o'tkazdi. Judayam malakali mutaxassisli ekan. U kishi juda meni oson yo'l bilan oyoqqa qo'ydilar. Doktor Piyush kimyoterapiyalari bilan natijalarini juda ham zo'r amalga oshirdilar. Bu yerdagi vrachlardan juda ham minnatdorman. Alloh ularga yana ziyoda qilsin ilmlarini, bilimlarini. Shu yerda shunaqa malakali mutaxassislar bor ekan. Max klinikasi ham ajoyib, yaxshi sharoitlar.